Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. Are you not singing daily? But do you understand the meaning? Or we are singing only? Huh? What is the meaning? Who will explain? Huh? Nobody knows? Yes, what is the meaning?
My only wish is that my mind be purified by the words and the mouth of my spiritual master. I have no other desire for this.
Yeah, this is the order. Guru Mukha Padma Vakka Chittete Koriyai. Now, Chitta means consciousness, her heart. I shall do this only. But my Guru Maharaj told me, I shall do this. Chittete Koriyai Ka Arna Koriya Maniyas. So, it is not my pride, but I can say for your instruction, I did it. Therefore, whatever little success you see, then all my God brothers, it is due to this. I have no capacity. But I took it, the words of my Guru, as life and soul. So this is fact. Guru Mukha Padma Vakka Chittete Koriyai. Everyone should do that. But if he makes addition or alteration, then he is finished. No addition or alteration. You have to approach Guru. Guru means the faithful servant of God, Krishna, and take his word how to serve him. Then you are successful. If you concord, I am very intelligent than my Guru, and I can make additional alteration, then you are finished. So, that is the only. Sing further. Siguru Charane Rati Seisi Uttamagati. If you want to make real progress, then you must be firmly faithful at the lotus feet of Guru. Then Je Prasades Pure Sarva As. Jasya Prasadas, this is the instruction in the whole Vaishnava philosophy. So unless we do that, we remain mudha, and this is explained in this Ajami Upakhand. So today we are reading this verse. Saivang Bhattamana Agya. Again he says. Again, Vasudev says that this rascal was situated in that absorbed in the service of his son, Narayana, of the name. He did not know what is this nonsense Narayana. He knew his son. But Narayana is so merciful that because he was constantly calling his son, Narayana, please come here. Narayana, please take this. So, Krishna was taking, that is chanting Narayana. Krishna is so merciful. He never meant that I am going to Narayana. He wanted his son because he was affectionate. But he got the opportunity of chanting the holy name of Narayana. This is his good fortune. Therefore, according to this, we change the name. Why? Because every name is meant for becoming a servant of Krishna. So, just like Upendra. Upendra means Bhamande. So, if we call Upendra, Upendra, or similarly, that name is taken account of. So that will be explained later on. So here also it is said, In the first verse it is said Mura, and the second verse also it is said Saivang Vartamana Agga. Agga means rascal. Mura means rascal, Agga means ignorant. Ignorant, who has no knowledge. Ga means one who has knowledge. Agya, man who has no knowledge. Mrittu kalo upasthiti. So everyone in this material world is mura, agga. He does not care that I will have to meet death when everything will be finished, all my plans, all my assets, everything will be finished. He does not know that. He knows it, but he doesn't care to observing these things. Therefore, everyone is mura and agya. Then, in spite of the death has come, matin chakara tonai bali narayana. He is experiencing, now I am dying, death is near, still he is thinking of that child. So, jang bapi smaran loke, tajatanta, he has got a child, his name is Narayan. Now his position is different. But if I am similarly affected, similarly affectionate to my dog, then what is my position? Or anything. Naturally I will think of my dog and immediately I shall get the another body like a dog or dog. This is nature's law. Jang bapi smaran loki tajatanti kalevaram. At the time, the test will be at the time of death. What kind of body you are going to get. So jang bapi smaran bhavam. They, just like he is very much affectionate to his son, he is thinking of his son. Similarly, if you very much affectionate to your dog or something else, you think at that time. Therefore, practice Hare Krishna, so that at the time of death you can think of Krishna and your life is successful. Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,